Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to watch how to apply an e-visa to travel to Burkina Faso. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going for online visas or in other terms e-visas because this boosts tourism and also it is very easy for applicants to apply. So it's good that Burkina Faso also has this facility now. Now, before you go into this, just read the visa policy of Burkina Faso because based on your nationality, you may not even need it. So if you see the citizen of following 19 countries can visit Burkina Faso without a visa. So if you hold a passport of these countries, of course, there are some limitations. You don't even need a visa to travel. And for some countries, you can get visa on arrival, like Canada, US, UK, and some other countries. Other than that, you need to apply. All right. So before we go further, let's go to FAQ. This is e-visa. Okay. All right. You can go through FAQ like what e-visa is. Okay. You have all possible answers here, and you can also chat with them if you want. That's fine. Okay. So we'll see how we can apply for a short-term visa. All right. Let's go to home. Steps they have given: fill application form, pay fee, get the decision, and if granted, you go. And this is a sample e-visa document that they have shared here. This is how it's gonna look like. So let's go through this here. If I go from here, can I do? Yeah, short-term entry visa. They have given the cost also. Okay, for tourist visa in their currency, and you need to have hotel reservation. They have express visa also for emergency travel. Perfect. Here we can start the process. So first step is to register, and then if you are already shared login, so let's see what is on the registration. So I'm gonna do this registration and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, so what happens is like after you register with your email, you get a link in the email that you have to click and activate the account. Then you come to this page where you have to select the visa that you want. So oh, we need tourism, right? Let's see if I can find corporation. It's not business, it's not study. If I go for transit with a single, okay, so tourism visa, it seems they have clubbed into transit visa for single entry. Here I have holiday and tourism. Nationality, you can fill it up. So let's say you are an Indian national, use Indian. Click on save and continue. Okay. Surname, I'm filling sample. You need to fill as per your case. Uh, 0. Okay. And you have save and continue. Okay. Contact details, mobile phone. Four, five, six. Sample, guys. Home address, India. Sample, guys. Postal code. Emergency contact. It's not mandatory. Can I skip it? Yeah, I can skip it. So whichever fields are mandatory, they have marked in star, and that you can do. But also, like I would suggest, even if it's like not mandatory and you have that information, fill it up. Why to skip it? Oh, expiry date. Sorry. Travel detail, port of entry, intended date of entry, maximum length of stay. Oh, let's say you're gonna stay for 20 days. Address not mandatory, mode of transport. Like as I said that I am leaving, but I am leaving non-mandatory field, but you have to put it on. Okay, so now you have to put the files, and then you continue next step, pay the fee, and from there you go ahead, and then you can in the next step you apply, and then if granted you can travel. So that's how simple it is, guys, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.